Hey guys, Nicole here again with Momentum Accounting. In this video, I am going to be answering the question, how much should you pay for your accounting department? So we all know that accounting is kind of a cost of doing business. Every business needs an accounting department. And if you partner with the right team or the right person, this function can actually save you time and save you money. So before I jump into how much it should cost, I just want to define what I mean by accounting department, or we can also call it finance department. For small business, it's kind of used interchangeably. So at the foundational level, within an accounting department, you need somebody that's doing the transactional level work, and this title will be called a bookkeeper. You also need somebody who's paying bills, and that would be the accounts payable department. You need someone that's sending out invoices and following up with past due customers. That would be the accounts receivable department. Then you need a controller who's overseeing all of this, who's preparing the financial statements, who's looking at trends. And the controller is actually a role that's commonly overlooked in the small business space. A lot of small business owners aren't familiar with that term, but it is actually the most important part of an accounting department. And then, of course, we have the CFO role, which is typically everything forward-looking, so financial planning, cash flow management, things like that. I would also include in the accounting department the administrative HR stuff, like onboarding, offboarding employees, making sure the benefits are set up properly, and running payroll, and possibly expense reimbursements as well. Okay, so now that we've defined what an accounting department includes, let's talk about how much it should cost. So typically small businesses want to pay anywhere between 2 to 4% of revenue for their accounting function. So as an example, if you are a $3 million business, then you really should be paying anywhere between $60,000 to $120,000 per year for all of the things I just mentioned. Now, the problem becomes if you hire somebody for $60,000 a year, they may not be able to do some of the controller's CFO level type of work. And if you hire somebody for $120,000 per year, you may be overpaying for the needs of your business. And also that $120,000 per year person probably doesn't need to be doing bookkeeping. So this is one of the advantages of outsourcing, is that you can plug and play with your internal resources and get the expertise of an entire team who are all doing things in the roles that they're best at. So I highly recommend outsourcing if you are under $10 million in revenue, because there are opportunities for you to save money while getting the expertise of an entire team of experts. And the other thing is, if you do have an in-house person and that person leaves, it's really on you as the business owner to then go out and find that replacement. And I'm sure that's not something that you want to be dealing with. So those are my thoughts on how much you should be paying and the benefits of outsourcing versus hiring in-house. I hope that was helpful. If you want any more information about this, feel free to reach out on the contact page on our website, momentumaccounting.com. Thanks, and I'll see you at the next video.